Hi everyone, today we are going to see how do we pair the smart switches with the Visor app. The steps to do that is we have to go to Visor app and go to the devices, and you can just click on add, and you can choose these all Visor devices. So currently I have a smart switch which I need to pair, so I can just go to smart switch. Say next, you just have to give a name. It is connected to socket, so I'm just giving a name as a socket, and this socket is connected to a living room. If you don't have a assigned room, existing room, you can add it, or you can also choose it from the drop down. Yep. Then say next. So it is saying scanning for the switch. We didn't found any device because the switch is on, not on the pairing mode. So you have to press it 4 times to get the switch on pairing mode. If the switch is connected to the other network, then we can press it 14 times to reset the switch. Yeah, now you would see the switch is in pairing mode. So we just have to go to app and just have to rescan it. So you would see the switch which is available here. So you can just click on pair, and you can choose your network and just enter the password. So once I enter the password, just click on connect. So it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute to connect with the cloud and register it. So once it's been connected, the LED will be gone. So you would see the device has been added. Just click on OK. So you would see there is a socket which has been added, so you can make it on. So once you on it, the indication would be on the switch. Whenever you make it off, the indication on the switch would be off, and even you can manually turn it on and the same indication would be on. Yep. And you would see the real-time power consumption. Currently I don't have any load connected on the socket, so the power now is 0. Thank you.